Good morning, student. Today we will discuss about that one graph which is given in your NCRT book. Okay, children, it is very important. Sometime what happens that they give this picture, this graph without labeling. Okay, and they generally ask that fill up this portion, means you have to label this thing. So, children, if you remembered in the beginning of the chapter only, I told you about the several categories by which we can explain the different type of biospheres, means all the biomes comes under one biosphere means living area where life is present on earth. It comes under biosphere. Okay, so ecosystem and biome, we generally know that living organism cannot live isolated without non-living environmental factors, because all the things are correlated with each other, means living content also depend on non-living content. Okay, a natural self-sufficient unit comprising a biotic community and its abiotic physiological chemical environment. Are you getting these 2 points? Means biotic community and its abiotic physico chemical environment, means physical environment as well as chemical environment. When they all are combined together and they combinedly works, so that time it is known as an ecosystem. Okay, so in ecosystem, three parts are there. One is of living content, second is of abiotic, means physico chemical environment. So it only covers up the whole ecosystem. The biotic community is termed as biotic community means the living part is known as the bioceanosis, means bioceanosis. It means that bio means life, or ceanosis means sharing. So if they are sharing the life with non-living content, that time only it covers up ecosystem. The geographic area providing uniform condition. The geographic area means light, water, heat, all the things, uniform condition for life. It is known as the biotope. Please remember these two things. Biotope. Okay, non-living content, geographical area which is provide life. Bio means life, topos means place. ऐसा place जिसमें life exist करती है, it is known as the biotope. Okay, I hope this thing is clear. Now we will discuss about some biomes. If you plot a graph of biome, this graph is important, don't take it lightly. That's why I am just making video on this graph, especially children. Okay, this is the temperature. This side we generally plot temperature, and this side we plot annual precipitation, or we can say that rainfall. Okay, if we plot one graph on annual temperature or rainfall, so which kind of picture we get? Okay, this is the thing. So beta, if temperature is low, you can see there -15, -10, -5. If temperature is less, so इस एरिया में ऐसा बायोम होगा जहां पर को टेम्परेचर बहुत कम है, लाइक टुंड्रा. Please remember tundra. And you can see rainfall is only that much, temperature is also less, और rainfall भी इतना ही हो रहा है इस एरिया में. Okay, because this is the sorry, rainfall area. So and this is the temperature area. So you can understand that in tundra बहुत ठंडे इलाके होते हैं, Arctic and alpine tundra. Okay, because rainfall is also very less and temperature is very less, beta below 0 degrees centigrade. Okay, now come to the next point about, you can see here, coniferous forest. Coniferous forest like in Uttarakhand, in Shimla, in Jammu. Okay, coniferous means जहाँ ऐसे plant होते हैं, they are the conifer plant. Okay, like pine. We can also see that devdar, they are the trees which are having the conifer type of shape. So this shape you can see here. Temperature is little bit high but not that much high. Or rainfall is also there. Rainfall ज़्यादा है बेटा. Okay, so it's not so much but sufficient rainfall is there, but temperature is low. So in this area, which type of forest are present? Coniferous forest. Now come to the next point. One by one I am explaining you this thing. This is the black region. Can you see this small one? Desert. In desert, the temperature is very high, but rain is very less. Can you observe this thing? So it proves that desert is also one kind of biome. When next one is just next of it, you can observe this thing. It is of the grassland. In grassland, children, temperature is high, but rainfall is very less. So in grassland, only grasses usually grow. Grasses, because they are not the climatic condition is not there that they can grow up this big trees. Means trees are present. Trees, such type of trees are present which can store water in them, or they generally grow in a very in long distance area. Generally they are having the grasses, long grasses. That's why this biome is known as the grassland. I hope that much is clear. Now come to the next one, that is of the temperate forest. In temperate forest, temperature is in between range, children. यहाँ पर बहुत गर्म बहुत ठंडा नहीं होता है. ओके, टेम्परेचर इज मेंटेन. तो टेम्परेचर टेम्परेट फॉरेस्ट इज देयर, एंड यू कैन सी दैट appropriate rainfall is also there. So that time in temperate forest, a good type of a healthy forest forms. Now the last one is of tropical forest. In tropical forest, children, you can observe one thing, that how much rainfall is there in tropical forest. Okay, so in tropical forest, rainfall is so much, but temperature is also very high. It means that they are having a best humidity in them. So such kind of rainforest especially comes in tropical forest area. Here rainfall is also more and temperature is also very high. So which kind of climatic condition will form here? Humid climate condition will form in this biome. So if you generally count all these biomes together, it forms the biosphere of earth. What it form? Biosphere of earth. I hope this thing is clear. In tropical zone, children, winter season is nil. You can see here temperature is very high, so winter season is nil. Or which kind of vegetation we generally see? Tropical forest. In subtropical zone, subtropical means इसके नीचे वाला हिस्सा. Okay, in subtropical zone, mild winter is there and subtropical deciduous forest are there. Next is temperate forest, temperate zone. In temperate zone, winter with occasional snow, like in our area, temperate area. Okay, so mixed coniferous forests are present. Last one is Arctic and Antarctic zone. In Arctic and Antarctic zone, temperature is always below 7 degrees Celsius. Severe winter is there, prolonged winter with abundant snow. And which type of vegetation is present in this particular Arctic and alpine tundras? Which type of vegetation is there? Arctic vegetation is only present. So I hope this graph is clear, and already we had discussed all the types of habitats and all the types of things earlier only. So we will do the next portion in our next video. I hope this is clear. Now if you have any question, any query, please send me. Thank you, children.